There are normally two events in Falmouth that I look forward to every year. The one I normally prefer is Sea Shanty because it's only over a weekend, so there's only a few days to actually get into the feel of the event. Unfortunately, Sea Shanty's been cancelled for the last 2 years due to COVID, apart from they've had a virtual online Sea Shanty festival. But this week is Falmouth Week, and I thought I'd come into Falmouth and have a nice little wander around and thought I'd take you with me. I always remember there being sort of more stores in previous years, but it's probably due to COVID that there's not as many at the minute. So far I've had a little wander around and I can't actually, there doesn't seem to be much going on. I mean, it is a Sunday, and I think like out of the whole sort of Falmouth Week escapades that normally go on, it's normally Sunday that's the quietest. I did, however, see the parade last night.
My friends say, girl, you better take care, cause that man is trouble, you best beware. And though deep down I know I might be headed for teardrops, now that you got me started, I just can't stop. No, no, cause I love you, baby, I can't let you go, baby. I gotta tell you that I won't.
Go back, I don't know, just 2 years ago, that parade would have gone on for about 20 minutes. It's just not a lot of people participating this year. Just going back 2 years ago, you wouldn't be able to walk through Falmouth. It would be so packed. behind me here is the chain locker, and I remember a few years ago when I used to work there, I used to dread Falmouth Week. It used to be so busy in that bar. You'd be doing like a 15-hour day, no lunch break, just flat out serving people, and we used to sell so much alcohol. But you know, the last couple of years, it's probably been a bit of a different story. What with, like, you know, you can pay for your drinks through an app now, and it's a completely different world. I could not imagine how difficult it would be for these guys having to work through a pandemic, especially on what's technically Falmouth's busiest week of the year. So obviously we saw the parade last night, and we've got the Red Arrows on Wednesday, so we're probably going to pop out and see that, but hopefully the weather's nice because it looks like it's about to start raining. When the Red Arrows are in the sky, what you need is crystal clear skies. I'm sure it'll be fun either way, but I'm looking forward to it actually. See, back in my day, all these tables would be full. I was actually at the stable last night. After the parade, we went there for a drink. Very pleasant. Really nice potato tots, or whatever they're called, like little small potatoes. But they mainly do pizza and pies. This is Event Square. Do you all remember, like, in that rainy walk through Falmouth video I made back in winter, and I said that I couldn't wait for the events and things to start picking up again because this place would be packed full of tents and live music and all that sort of thing? Well, it's not this year, is it? It's pretty much business as usual, it seems. You wouldn't even think that it was Falmouth Week, to be honest. But on the other hand, it's still good to see people here enjoying Falmouth for everything that it has. Tell me all about it if you want.
Wow, I don't know what to say really, mate, when I've got a camera in my face. Well, I'm Beardy. I'm the brand ambassador for this company. There's me on the wall. It's not really me. This was done 4 years ago. I've only been in the company 7 weeks. So, do you like something dry?
Yeah.
So dry, this is our tank snapper. Alright, so it's made with Prosecco yeast.
Oh, really?
Yeah. What do you think of that one, sir? I've got them. That's right, they're mine now. Goes with more bearded brewery look, look.
Unshaven maiden.
So the unshaven maiden. So with these here, you are paying you're paying £4 for the glassware for these when you put a one-off payment. Once you got that,
Returns, yeah.
so again, yeah, you return them back to us, and you just pay for the literage for the refill. And and if you didn't want to fill them up, they're very pretty bottles.
You know how much we're against plastic packaging? So these guys are changing the world with a recycling scheme.
On the bags as well, they're fully recyclable, even down to the taps.
I'm at home now because it's raining. One of the things I love about living in Falmouth is you literally just walk through the town and you never know what's going to happen. And the funniest bit is normal people, if you stick a camera in their face, they freeze up. But Beardy, you're an absolute legend, mate. To you and all the team that also work there, I hope that it all goes really well. So if you're ever in Falmouth and you like cider, check out the Bearded Brewery. I'll link their Instagram below. Anyway, now we're gonna head over and see the Red Arrows. It's still Sunday, but it'll be Wednesday in a minute. Yeah, they cancelled it. Some Unfortunately, the Red Arrows has been cancelled, so we've taken the dog for a walk in to Hiddy Woods. Okay, I've never actually been here before.
Come on, just walk.
Why is it that it's always the British rainy summer weather that always ruins it for us? What a difference a day makes. They probably should have done the Red Arrows on the Thursday rather than the Wednesday. It's still quite windy, but blue skies. I've actually come into Falmouth to meet my mate James for a coffee. So we're probably gonna go to the chain locker because one, he works there, and two, we can sit outside. To be honest, there's a chance he might not want to go there because he works there. That would probably be a good reason why he wouldn't want to go there. I'd just like to take this time to just to mention the shooting that happened in Plymouth on Thursday. My thoughts and my prayers go out to all the families of the victims. I can't imagine how horrendous it must be for you. Okay, back to the video. Fireworks are starting.
I told you there was somebody on the hill.
Say ooh or ah, yeah?
Ooh! Ah!
Yeah.
That do you? Almost ready to oblige.
I think I missed the climax.
I got it.
Enjoy the fireworks, Katie.
Yeah, it's good.
So that was my look at Falmouth Week. And do you know what? I know that originally I said, you know, well, what's happened to Falmouth Week and all this lot, but I actually had a really good time. The parade, even though it was shorter than what I expected it to be, I'm still really happy to see that it's still going. Fireworks were a lot of fun, and it was just good just to be out and be in the hustle and bustle of what is Falmouth Week. If you're new here, consider subscribing to the channel. I do upload Cornwall related videos at least once a week. Don't forget to love Sundays, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers! Actually, broke my favourite glasses.